The legacy of my family has always been close to nature. And with the population increase, we have to really look at how we protect the earth. I'm Mary Cole. I have been a scientist for 40 years. I'm interested in soil, and I'm interested in understanding that nature really is the most important part of life. Nothing disappears from the planet, it just changes its form for some period of time. Human ash is very alkaline. It can't be just put in the ground and a tree planted, because the tree can't grow under those sorts of conditions. So what we're doing with Living Legacy is allowing that to happen in such a way that hasn't been done before. It was a journey that we had to show great respect to the ash that we were working with. So what we had to do was to make a mix that would shift the composition of the ash to be able to support a tree. And it wasn't just a tree growing, the tree had to thrive. Towards the end of 2015, everything came together. We had the proportions right, and then when we got the first trees and they started to grow, we saw green leaves. Yeah, cool, yeah, we celebrated. We had an extra large cup of tea, you know. And it was wonderful, because at last we had done what we wanted to do. We've been able to pass that life on to the next life. And this is what we think is our greatest achievement. And from now on, I would like to think that this is the heritage, that the land is going to be better, that somewhere on the planet there are going to be more trees planted, that there are going to be people who go out into the forest and say, this is where harmony is. And if I do nothing else in my life but to have a few people understand that reconnection is where we have to be. It's like a beach. You know, I'm the grain of sand, and I hope I make a beach.